Okay, unboxing the HL-L2395DW compact laser printer. Going to use the handy dandy Singer scissors. Nope. It looks pretty.
Well, I wouldn't want you sitting there on a dirty desk.
I know. Okay. There's the toner. I would say that's going to last just a little bit longer. Hey,
What?
come here and look. I think you'll see a difference. That's the ink cartridge.
Just be careful what you do.
I know.
And like I said, get something to clean that desk before you put it on.
Okay, I know.
That desk is filthy.
Alrighty. Made by the Brother Corporation. So I'll put that on the desk, put that over here on top of my Bible for right now. Okay, next we have the quick setup guide. Maybe. If there's a CD-ROM in there, I think there is. Yeah, it feels like it. Yep, there's a installer for. Oh, it's even got a Mac installer too. Okay. A lot of these printers you don't even have to have an installer for the Mac. You just plug it in. But this one's actually got software. So Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, Windows Server 2008, 2008R, 2012, 2012 R2, 2016. Macintosh OS 10.10.5, 10.11, 10.12. I can't read all of it. So I've got software, I got the instruction manual, or basic quick setup guide, I guess you want to call it. Okay, so we throw that away. More styrofoamy stuff I'll have to figure out what to do with later. Another styrofoamy. It's a beautiful thing. Alright, I'm going to take the scissors, put them on the desk. Wow. Okay, there's that. I'm just going to put it on the desk. And then we have more styrofoam. So what I will do is save the styrofoam. And save that for later. Okay, this is part 2. The HL-L2395DW is now sitting on the computer desk. And I say computer desk because it's my desk with a computer. It's So technically it's a computer and a printer desk. Actually it's a computer and a printer and a ham radio and a telephone and a Blu-ray drive, and then you get the idea. So let's open this puppy up here. That looks very nice. I'm very... so pretty. It really is. I mean, this printer... Different kind of cord there. Be careful trying to turn a little bit in here. Okay, there's trash. Okay, let's see what we got here. We've got CD. Okay, unpack. Make sure we're in focus here. I didn't even check. Okay, well, I'm going to assume we are. Okay, so we've got Mom's in there shredding stuff. We're going to put my hand back there. Okay. Check the components. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Quick setup guide. CD. Telephone line cable. Oh, for MFC models. I don't even know what that means. Unless it's inside, it didn't come with it. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. See how simple this thing is to... Take that off. There's 2. 3. Nope. 4. 5. 6. 7. Yep, there's 7. 8. Oh, there's more. 9. 10. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, look at that, pretty. Take that off. Okay, now I think this orangey thing comes off. Yeah, pretty sure. It's kind of like a shipping. So there's the cartridge. Woo! Okay, let's see what we got here. Here's the instructions. I'm still going by them. Remove the packing material, load. Paper. We have paper. Ooh. Paper. Oh, okay, you push the load in. Oh, okay, push back. Okay, let's put in some more paper. I got more paper over here, so let's put it in. I think it said it's supposed to hold 250 sheets, so let's... It'll hold more than that. See, it goes all the way up to here. So let's put in some more. We got it, why not use it, right? Yeah, I can put in more later, but hey, you know what? Let's put in some more. That'll be enough for now. I can put in more later if I need to. And it'll be a while before I use that much. Okay. Okay, now this is where the toner goes, I think. Okay, hold on. Let's see what we're doing here. Make sure we're doing this right. Oops, that didn't look right. Oops, I don't know what I did here. Connect the power. Okay. Turn on the machine. I think I should have done that. Oops. Okay, well there's the thing for the toner. Let's see which way it goes. Okay, I was afraid I was going to break something there for a second. Okay, let's see which way this goes. Okay, it looks like... Okay. Push firmly. Oh, okay, it's this way, because it has a little label on it. Oh, nice. Green label. Hey, it goes right in. Cool. Alright, what's it? Oh, connect the power cord. Okay, which means for me I'm going to have to pull the desk out. Which I'm not really fond of, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So for me that means okay, that should be simple enough. Alrighty. The beauty of it is it fits. Now I think there's a... Yeah, okay, where's the... Already got it. Okay, hold on. No, I think this is it right here. Okay, welcome to part 3, where we turn the power on. Okay, let's see what it says here. Information on firmware updates can be displayed by automatically connecting to the internet. Information. And not now. Wow. Okay. Gosh, it smells good. What's that? I don't know what that is. Maybe that's the... Okay, toner live. Let's push toner live. Ah. Is there a back? Test print. Do you want to start printing? Yeah, why not? Let's see what happens. Okay, toner. Look at that puppy. Woo, woo, woo. Good to go.